I need for my meringue, I need a different measuring cup. That's what I need. So, half a cup of water. I need 1 cup of sugar. So this is my half cup measure. Guess I could have used that for the water as well. Half. 1, look at all that sugar going into this meringue, my goodness. We're gonna stir that and get it started anyways. I've got to bring that to a boil, 240 degrees. Okay, let's get this in here. So I'm gonna use 6 to 8 egg whites. I've got 4 fresh egg whites. Those are from the eggs that I use for the key lime pie. And then I'm gonna use some from the carton. Not the best, but that's what I have. That's what I'm using. I'm not wasting any items here, okay? So let's get to work on this. Gotta keep my eye on that sugar as well. Just until, quick stir. Okay, good. We're gonna get that to 240 degrees. Let's just check that out, see where we're at right now, okay? 187. Gonna turn it into a nice syrup. Still need 20 more degrees here. Perfect. Leave that go a little bit more. Back over it's going here, okay? 4 of the fresh going in. A couple more here. I want a nice thick meringue, okay? Let's lock this in on the meringue. We'll start off on low speed. I'm going to be doing a pinch of cream of tartar and a pinch of salt, not a punch. Bring that up 1. Sugar mixture is at 232 degrees. Just a pinch of cream of tartar and just a pinch of salt, not a punch. Boom. I'm gonna bring in that sugar mixture and I'm gonna be pouring it in from the side really slowly here, okay? It's very hot, you gotta be careful with this. Just like it's a syrup. We're at 243 degrees, we're good. So this is now our sugar mixture right here. Nice and bubbly. Bring this down 1 to a nice light stir. And we're very carefully going to drizzle this in. There it is. See how it's bubbling? I'm just going to give it 30 seconds here. I'm going to be careful not to get it on the whisk attachment. Just down the side of our bowl. Slowly incorporate everything with those egg whites. I'm going to add some water to this pot and just put it back on that heat so it can start dissolving everything. Just help me clean up later, okay? So now we've got that in. Now we can crank our speed up. And we want to get this nice and thick. I want nice, stiff, thick peaks. So I've got us at medium-high speed now. Let's see what's going on right down inside. Look at that. This is going to go beautiful on our key lime pie. Meringue and whipped cream for me, my kryptonite. I think I got it this time. It's looking good. Oh yeah, it's starting to get thicker. Come on, I'll bring you in. See that? It's frothing up nice. It's gonna be a nice sweet Italian meringue. We're starting to get peaks, which is what we want to see. That's what I'm aiming for. So that way when I put it on the pie, it's gonna be nice and thick and stiff. All right, check this out. When I lift this up, we'll see how stiff. Yeah, look at that. That's looking good to me. It's looking really good to me, see? Thick. Here, check this out. Nice, look. That's thick. So, let's take that out. We're done with this guy. Get our pie from the fridge. Meringue, let's pop that in. Or on, I should say. Keep that inside the crust if possible. Just to show a little bit of the lime. What's hiding under there, okay? There we go. Give this one a try and you do your best baking.